Boys, good people, welcome back to the channel. I am your host, Big J. As you know, I'm a footballer. I like crypto and the metaverse, but today's video we're going to talk about NFTs. So, I spoke about in my previous video. This is the Trillionaire Thugs NFT. Now we're going to get into it. We're going to talk about, is this a scam? Look at some signs of what a scam would be and some things we need to look for so we can decide whether or not this is a good investment. Now, before I get any further, guys, I want you to hit that like button down below, subscribe, and turn your notification bells on so you know whenever I release a new video. And as always, make sure you watch the video all the way to the end. And guys, also remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. If you put your mortgage on the line, your wife might leave you, move in with your best friend, and take the kids. Just saying. Yeah. Just a word of advice. So let's get into this. The first thing that I always look at whenever I'm looking at a project to invest in, I want to do a bit of research. So I want to see the website. First impressions of the website, good, excellent. I really like it. Moving slides, some animation. If you look here, we can see the cards jumping around. I like that. Really good. As we can see, scarcity as well. We've got 770, so it's 700. Wow. We've got 7,777 NFTs that are available. Yeah, so you have to get yourself whitelisted. Now, if we go down, I can show y'all. In order to get whitelisted, y'all, you go first join the Discord. Now, let me show you. I don't know what I've done with my phone. Oh, there it is. All right, so let me show you guys. This is the Discord. I'm trying to get this thing to focus, sorry. All right, so as you guys see, this is the Discord. And there you go. You see people actually talking in the chat. So one of the requirements to get whitelisted is that you need to get to level 10 in the chat. Another requirement is you need to change your Discord picture to a crypto thug. And then after your name, you need to put a line and then put Trillionaire Thug. Another thing that you need to do is also share it on the Discord where I believe it's seven friends. It might be 10, but I believe it's 7 friends. So when you join the Discord, it's going to give you those instructions anyway. So personally, I think that whole system is long because as you can see, it's talking, it's active. People are actually talking. But to get to level 10, you're going to sit there and have to talk about, I mean, if you're talking about something constructive, it makes sense. But majority of people in here just talking nonsense. But the majority of people on here are cool, good community. So I can't lie. It's definitely worth joining the Discord. Even if you don't even get involved in the NFT. Definitely worth joining. So the website's good. Showing you the whitelisting. The next thing, you want to always look at the team. So this part of it I don't like. We don't know who's a part of this project. The team is not doxed. The most information that they've given us is the producer is Mark L. Mark L could be anyone. Anyone in the world. There's billions of people in the world. Same with Sam R. Same with Hun N. Right? The only thing good is I'm guessing each picture probably describes the member of the team. So Mark L is probably a COD player. Sam R's some sort of rapper. Same with what's his name? Igor, the blockchain expert. Looks like Lil Uzi Vert. And developer, I'm guessing he's a game developer because he's got the katana in his back. So I'm guessing he's some sort of Tekken character or something. But yeah, that's that. The team section of this doesn't look good. But the socials, if this thing will decide to load, the social media itself, to me personally, it looks good. I don't see any sort of issues with it. So as you see, there's a social media, the official handle. Got 9,000 followers, not following anyone. Would have been nice to see them following the people who are part of the project. But then again, as I said, it's not docs, so I doubt they want to do that. So if we scroll through, they're tweeting, which is good. You want to see some sort of updates. Oh, what's going on there? We ran out of space. I think we ran out of carpet, mate. But anyway, the last tweet was on the 15th of Jan. It's only a few days ago. That's decent. It's decent. It's not bad. It's not bad. Now, the only reason why we're looking through this and making sure it's not a scam, because I was a part of a rug pull last year. One of the two major rug pulls. So there's one for Squid Game crypto, which which people lost millions and millions in. There's another one called Solum. Loads of people lost millions. I was a part of that one. Now, as you can see from this report here, which is on UK.finance, the Yahoo platform, we can see there has been a rug pull where 1.3 million was taken, and it was done via the OpenSea platform. And it was an NFT concept, right? And if you guys know who J5 is, he's a music producer. He actually lost, I think it was $3,000, so not much money, on OpenSea. So same platform, excuse me, and it was an NFT as well. So rug pulls do happen, so you do need to do your research, because otherwise you will get scammed. Yeah, it's very, very clear. If we go back to their website now and have a look at the roadmap, I think the roadmap is very good. But also, just to let you guys know, if you're wondering why I'm so enthusiastic or I'm emphasizing the OpenSea part, is because this is going to be on OpenSea. All right, anyway, phase one is basically where we are now. We still haven't left phase one because the NFTs haven't been sold yet. Phase two, as you see, everyone that's in the community that's holding NFTs, there's going to be more of a collective. They're going to have a meetup in Dubai and Miami. Personally, I think it should be a Google Meet, because at the end of the day, they're trying to make it into a metaverse. It would make more sense to give it the virtual feel, but that's just my opinion. Then merch being released, I'm not too interested in that, so I'm going to skip over it. Those who hold the NFT longer than 30 days in phase 4 will get more items to add to a collection, which obviously you can use to customize your thug. And obviously, as they'll tell you in stage 5, it will actually increase the value of your NFT, which is what we're all looking for. We want to gain some profit. We want to gain some moolah. Yeah, we want to gain some money. So that's stage 5. Obviously, you're going to have more items that you could use. They're not saying specifically how many different items there. We'll scroll down and see if someone's asked in FAQ. But there you go. And then stage 6 is the launch of the metaverse and the play to earn game, which sounds very simple. But if you don't know anything about making games, it's very difficult, let alone to make a game where it's play to earn. If you don't want to know some good projects that have worked very well so far, Wolf Game done really well last year. Have a look at them. You'll see it done really good. And also Garlic Games, they're very good. They're a play to earn platform. Very, very good. So we'll have a quick look to see if they've said anything about the supply. Nope. And also, guys, this is run on the Ethereum network, as I told you in the previous video. I'm trying to see if we can find anything else about it. No, not telling us how many items. Okay, not telling us how many items, but on the face of it, based on the basic information, the website, social media, don't have a team to really hold accountable, so no culpability really being taken. But yeah, social media, the roadmap, those things look good. We can see, obviously, Bandman Kevo is promoting it. I don't think he promotes something which is going to take people's money, because his whole YouTube channel, his whole OnlyFans is all about teaching people how to make money. So I doubt he's going to be a part of a scamming project. So yeah, based on that information, guys, I would say this is a good investment. I would go for it, if you've got the money. If you don't have the money, maybe take a pass on this. There'll be other projects. So yeah, guys, it's been your boy Big Dre. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember, it's in the sauce. Just buy the dip.